distance. And the race is on. My Chemical Romance, Don Ezekiel Bootlegs is racing in third. JST Racing for Strong Boy Bideral. And Federer is the early trailer. My Chemical Romance by a length and a half, followed by Don Ezekiel Bootlegs racing third by about 2 lengths alongside Strong Boy. JST racing in fifth by another 2 lengths, and Federer is running at the tail of the field by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, My Chemical Romance by a length and a half, Don Ezekiel Bootlegs, Danori inside, and Strong Boy on the further outside as they race the last 500. My Chemical Romance, Strong Boy, and Don Ezekiel Bootlegs running in fourth by Daryl. JST on the outside as they race the final corner. My Chemical Romance by a length and a half, Strong Boy. Bootlegs making ground, Danori inside. JST is Strong Boy is now the leader, and by the rally is Bootlegs the favorite. Is Strong Boy, Bootlegs, JST on the further outside. Is Strong Boy, Bootlegs, JST, and finally number 5 is Strong Boy, Bootlegs, JST, Don Ezekiel, My Chemical Romance, and Federer.